So a first ever, no, second actually, POV of Vilda Musen here at Gröna Lund. And again, one of my absolute favorite wild mice. That's not correct really, kind of. But one of my absolute favorite wild mouses that you can find in the world. And as you can see, we have a great view over Stockholm today and Gröna Lund. And look at this weather. This is so nice, it's awesome. Yeah. And by the way, if you're only watching the POV, make sure you watch the full vlog. And here we go. Woohoo! Oh my god, I think this is so much fun. Twister is close there, by the way. Whoa!
It's like a mess here.
Yes, it is. Wow. Woo. Hey. Oh my god. This is my favorite part of this coaster. This turn that's coming now. And we're back to the station. Yes, it's a really good roller coaster. That's a lot of fun. Whew. Hope you like the view of Vilda Musen here at Gröna Lund. Awesome park, awesome roller coaster. And there's